goodness. Look at these plants. My, how they've grown. Look at them rows. How straight they is. This wasn't even done with the mechanical transplanter. It was done before we got it. Beautiful. Examining the broccoli field. And oh yes, already have broccoli. Man, each and every single one has got a head going already. Oh. Looking good. Up. Something's eating it. Why you whacking on me weeds, mate?
Why am I whacking on your weeds?
Those are my weeds.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. I didn't know you grew these. Check it out.
Strawberries.
Check it out.
Oh my goodness.
These babies are coming.
We got some very happy berries coming along here. Who else is excited for blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries? No matter the weather, the work needs to be done. Seed and boys.
How many feet?
Man, these tomatoes are looking good. So all these transplants out here have been taken out of the greenhouse, moved out here to harden off in preparation of getting transplanted in the next day or so. And they're getting soaked in the compost tea over there as well. Like peas.
Chris, did you see these little babies? These precious little babies?
What are they?
Tomato babies.
Oh, it's
These
tomato
are,
babies.
Pomodoro. These are a sauce tomato?
Yeah, these are all the sauce tomatoes.
Sauce tomato.
Sauce tomato. Each and every one of these seeds started by the vegetable crew here over the past few months. Soil mix.
Getting nice and dirty.
This is where the magic happens, folks. In there.
That's the good stuff.
What do you all think is happening? Oh, you know exactly what's happening. It's food scraps time. Hey, Fiend. This is what happens at the bottom of a hill. And that's a wrap on today at 7:08 p.m. Whole lot of stuff was transplanted today.
That does sound real good.
Yeah, man, I want
Dirt foot.
Yeah.
Can you see those fireflies? Rhododendron are in bloom. Oh yeah. This is a perfect shiitake. Look at that. Simon the farm cat has come to join me harvesting mushrooms. Hello, Simon. We've spotted some deer in the woods. We're trying to get closer without them noticing us. Can we do it? Some Hugo culture over here.
What I like about Hugo culture is that it creates a really healthy soil biome. So through the dead tree material and leaves and this like beautiful organic matter that the forest provides to us with so much life in it, that is really all we need to support the life of a lot of the native plants that I hope to plant in here. So I'm sourcing a lot of the materials from the land right here on the farm, bringing the permaculture perspective into being.
The Hugo culture process continues. Filling it in. It's a good day on the pond. Almost forgotten that there's crappie in this lake. This is a very good eating fish. Strawing up the high tunnel. Pond fish. Mushroom farmer could have 99 problems, but rain ain't one. The new root washer being assembled in action, sort of. We've had an inaugural wash. Strawberries. This is the fastest shiitake colonization I could possibly imagine. These are my logs from this past March, which was only, like 2 months ago. Usually this takes until late August or September to see any mycelium at the ends of the logs. This is what happens when you have a ridiculous amount of rain. It might not be good for a lot of aspects of the farm, but the shiitake logs certainly love it. Here's all the slugs. I just picked off my logs. These are really the shiitake farmer's #1 enemy. Wow, I didn't know they had eggs at Rite Aid.